right, so today we're learning about compositions of functions. Now, compositions of functions are just using what we did basically the last time, but we're going to be doing it twice. So today I call it simple. It's in quotes because it's not, I don't mean simple. I just mean it's the simpler kind. We have a different one tomorrow that's not as simple. So these are the two ways we write it. Now I know it looks a little crazy the way it's written, but it's just a function inside a function. That's all it is. A function inside another function. And the way that this is said is f of g of x, or f of g of x. That's how we say it. It's just like the regular function notation, but since there's another one there, we just add another letter. Okay? And it's pretty straightforward. It's just two plug and chugs. That's all it is. So we're just plugging in a number, getting an answer out, plugging in that answer in, and getting an answer out. So the way that we do this, if I want to find f of g of 4, I have to start wherever the 4 is. I circle the closest letter, and that's the one I do first. So that's g of 4. I pretend like that f isn't even there, and I do that first. So I'm going to do 10, and I'm going to plug in the 4 where that x is. So when I get that, I get the answer of 40. Yay! Now that I have that, I know that this is 40. So now I have to do f of 40. So I'm plugging this right here. That's all it is. I plug one in, I get the answer. And then that answer gets plugged in. Then that answer gets plugged in to the other one. So plus 3. So what is that? 83? Done. So sometimes if I go a little faster, you get it better. So let's try. Alrighty. So here we go. So f of 4. So we find out where the 4 is, and the closest letter goes first. So we want to do f of 4 first. So 2, it's right here. 2 times 4 plus 3. So 2 times 4 plus 3 is 11. And then that answer, we just did this one, so we don't need that one anymore. We plug that answer into this one. So it's 10 times 11, or 110. So the final answer is the second one. Okay, so now we have this one. So whatever's closest to the number, that goes first. So I'm going to do g of negative 2 first. So here I am. So I'm doing 10 times negative 2. So I get negative 20. So g of negative 2 is negative 20. I am plugging the second one in to f. So it's 2 times negative 20 plus 3. So that's negative 40 plus 3. So it's negative 37. As long as I did my math right. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so here we are. So let's just try a couple more and see how that goes. So to begin with, again, closest one to the number is g. So we're going to do g of 2. This time g of 2 is x squared. So this always changes up here. You just have to look for what's up there and do whatever they tell you. You never have to remember that. That's always given to you. So 2 squared is 4. So then I just did this. So now I need f of 4. So f of 4 is 4 plus 5, which is 9. Awesome. As long as I did it right. Sometimes I freak out when I do these videos. Okay, f of 10. Do that first. So it's 10 plus 5 is 15. So then I just figured this out. So then g of 15 is 15 squared. Just figure that out. 225, I believe. And that's it. So f of 7, I have to be able to see up there. So this one, I realize it might look freaky to you, but the process is the same. So you figure out what circle here. I'm doing this first. So f of 7 is 7 plus 5. So that is 12, correct? And then we just did this, so now we have to do this one. So it's f of 12. So that's it. So we just plug that in. So it's no need to think it's all that complicated because it's not too bad. So here we're doing g of 3, g of 3. So again, circle what's closest to the variable, to the number. So we're going to figure out what g of 3 is first. So g is x squared, so it's 3 squared is 9. So then we take that 9 and we plug it into g. So that's g of 9. So that's 9 squared, which is 81. So that's it. That's how you do it. So sometimes the notation is different, and I just have to show you the notation, but the process is still the same. It's really not much different. This is the notation that you might see, but it's the same exact thing as f of g of x. It's just written differently. So you circle what's closest to the number. So here, like, you circle what's closest to the number, or start from the right, as this says. So you do g of 2. And in this case, it's x plus 2. So 2 plus 2, we get 4. And then this is done. So now we take this answer and plug it in f. So that's it. It's really not much different. F is 5. This is f up here. 5 times 4. So we get 20. And that's it. So let's just give this one a quick try. So g of h of 3, the closest to the number is h. So I'm going to do h first. H of 3. 3 times 3 plus 1, 9, 10. So we take this answer and we do g now. So now g of whatever this answer gets plugged into this one. So g of 10. So 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, that's it. Give the questions over here a shot. We'll go over them. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.